When it comes to editing data within a cell, there are quite a few ways you can go about doing it. One way, for example, in cell A1, you can see that it says essential oils-US. Well, it's bleeding over into the next cell because there's nothing in there, but it's all still in cell A1. If I go to the next cell, you can see up here in the formula bar there's nothing because that's just bleeding over into that cell, but all the contents of essential oils-U.S is in the first cell there, A1. And you can see up here in the formula bar, it's right there. To go ahead and make changes to that, if I want to say essential oils-Europe, then I can just simply go ahead and type over it, essential, whoops, if I make a mistake, I can either go ahead and hit the backspace key, obviously, or just hit the escape key to start over again. And then just go ahead and type it in and hit enter. That works. Or let me hit undo. Since I already have part of what I want in there, I can go ahead and get inside the cell by double clicking really fast and then just come over to the latter part of it and select US and then go ahead and delete that and then type in Europe. Or let me hit the escape key so it doesn't accept my change there. With it selected, you can come up here if it's more helpful to you and work in the formula bar, especially if it's cut off because you have text next to it and you don't have the column here stretched out so far that you can actually see everything within that column. So the formula bar is helpful there as well, and you can go ahead and select it and type over it. Speaking of being within the cell here or in the formula bar, if you just want to replace a word, if you double click really fast, it'll select the entire word and then you can just type over it. Cool. Let's go ahead and hit the escape key. And then when it comes to deleting a cell or a range of cells, go ahead and select your range, hit the delete key on the keyboard. I mean, that works, right? Or you can go ahead and hit undo, come up here on the home tab to the editing group, and there's the eraser, click on the drop down arrow and you get different options. You can clear everything out, which includes formatting, contents, comments, and hyperlinks, or just the formatting or contents and the other options. Let me go ahead and click off of it. And then if you want to insert symbols into a cell here, like let's say we want to register or trademark U.S. and then just go ahead and double click to get within the cell so the cursor's flashing, and then click at the end to insert the symbol. Come up here, click on the Insert tab, go to the group, click on the drop down arrow to symbol, and we'll go ahead and we can register it, or there's trademark. Select that, click on Insert, and then click Close, and there it is. Or the other options you get when you click on symbols to symbol is if you don't see it here when you're scrolling around the symbol that you're looking for, you can click on the drop down arrow and you can go through the different types of fonts and the symbols that will be available. In fact, all the way down to wingdings, and get other cool little caricatures here, or special characters if you want a dash or a registered copyright section. There's the trademark. In any case, click cancel and hit enter, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.